Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting inside of the 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the limited trim level. And this tutorial will apply to the limited and calligraphy trim levels. You'll find the ambient lighting. So if you want to make changes to your ambient lighting, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Setup right here, and then we're going to go to Vehicle. We'll go to Lights and ambient lighting, and you can change the brightness. You can dim that if you want to, however you want to do that. We're going to leave that bright for obvious purposes. And you can do a couple of different things. You can link to drive modes if you want to, or if you want to just go in and make your own personalized changes, here's how you do it. You can select, you can see everything that I just did on the screen. So you can change right there to individual colors. Real easy to do, but that's not your only option. Right here, you can actually go and select from a multitude of colors, depending on how you want things to look. I'll tell you what, I think it's very impressive. I like what Hyundai has done here with this particular model. So that shows you how that works, how easy it is to deal with. If there's a particular tutorial on the Hyundai Santa Fe or any other Hyundai model or any vehicle you would like to see me show here in a video, let me know in the comments section and I will make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.